Hey everybody, it's Zombie for Zombie Tactical Training, and today I got a quick video for you. We're going to talk about accuracy, why it is a must. We're going to talk about dealing with a downed suspect slash bad guy, and we're going to talk about dealing with hostages. So let's take a look at this video.
Hello, this is Ghetto Police.
Okay, where are you guys at? Please, my baby daddy has a gun. He's in the park. He's got shot in the park. He has my baby.
Did you already call this in, ma'am? Did you already call?
No.
This is your first time?
A man did.
What address?
A man did, but my name.
Give me an address. Give me an
We have a no
address.
contact order.
I need the address.
Genesee Park, yes.
Genesee Park?
Yes, my baby. Genesee Park, please.
Okay, hold on. Just stay on the line. Just stay on the line.
Please. Beat me up, please.
Okay, I don't see a call in for there. Okay, so you're at Genesee Park right now. Let me see here. Are you at Rainier Playfield?
Yeah.
Okay, Rainier Playfield. Got you. Okay.
She's trying to help me.
I got you.
I'm staying with this woman. I'm with her and her dogs. I don't know where he went. He has my baby.
Okay, you said this is your boyfriend?
Yeah, my baby's dad. He has my baby. We have a no contact order already. He just beat me up yesterday. My arms are I'm swollen. Like I just want my daughter. You know,
Okay.
I'm trying to go.
Okay, did he come and take the child from you while you were there?
I just ran away because I'm scared. I'm scared.
Did he throw you any weapons?
He has a gun. I know he has. He just shot it in the park. My airplane. He just shot it in Skyway.
Okay, he just
shot it in Skyway.
Okay, we have a call in.
Please help.
Stay on the ma'am. We have a call in. Okay.
Please. Not fast enough. Not fast enough, please.
What's his
My
name?
baby. His name's we already have no contact order, please. I want my daughter, please. She's the only one. She doesn't, please. I'm scared for her.
Yeah, we'll get you. We'll get there to you. His first
No,
name is
because
John.
where are you?
I understand. His first name is last name is. Did you say?
No.
Hey, stop! 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 Running to the east side. 2 Robert 3, he's running east. He's running southbound. You better stop right now! Move. Yeah, stop, stop, stop. Everyone stop. Slow down. Slow down. Pick the baby up. I got the baby. Okay. 2 Robert 3, shots fired. Yeah, okay. Slow down. Are you okay? Okay. Are you okay? Yep. Yourself, please! Slow down. We're gonna...
Alright, what a great job from that officer there. So that suspect had a 1-year-old child held hostage. Now let's pick up the video here. You see him going around the corner, and we're going to slow it down. Now, this is why I always say accuracy is so important, because when you're called to make a shot like this, are you going to make it, or are you going to hit the child or hit the innocent person there? That's why this is so important. And this officer comes around the corner. The suspect's there. This is an armed suspect who has fired rounds. They give him one quick warning. He doesn't respond. And the officer on the right fires one round, which hit the suspect, I understand, in the face. And he did not survive the encounter. Officer's going to fire one round right there, and the reason that was so quiet is because it was actually coming from a suppressed rifle, which makes a much different sound than you would hear from a regular AR, especially these SBR or short barrel rifles that police officers are using. So right after the shot's fired, he moves up. So this is dealing with a downed suspect. They move on him really quickly so they can, one, make sure he's down and react appropriately if he does present a threat again. Also, they're dealing with a hostage here. So they're moving in to pick up the child, to pull the child out of the danger zone, take the child to safety to be checked out by medical. So that's always, whenever you're dealing, especially law enforcement, you're dealing with a downed opponent, they have to go and move on that person and make sure they're actually down and then secure them for arrest. As self-defenders, that's not something you would really do. You would do enough to defend yourself, and then you could actually leave the area as long as you call 911. The idea is to get to a safe area so you can contact 911, but you don't have to go up there and deal with the suspect. Law enforcement officers have a different role. As you can see here, they can't just walk away. They have to go up and take the suspect into custody. These officers acted very professionally. They came up. This officer showed extraordinary shooting ability to come around that corner so quickly, pick up his sight picture, and fire that round after giving it. They gave him a warning, and he did not respond, and he fired one round. That round struck the suspect in the face, and that was he ended up taking the room temperature challenge on that one. So he is no longer with us, and they did an excellent job of dealing with the 1-year-old child, the victim that was held hostage by this person. So all in all, this is an outstanding job by the Seattle Police Department and a outstanding shooting by this officer. Zombie salutes him.